Japanese secret recipe for hair growth. This remedy is based on a traditional Japanese recipe, and it's really easy to make. Watch this video and find out how to make your hair grow faster using natural ingredients.
Subscribe to Debongo channel.
Take a red onion and cut it into small pieces. Now put the ingredients into a saucepan. Now add 1 tablespoon of rice. Now add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. Now add 1 tablespoon of cloves. Now add 1 large glass of water. Now boil for 10 minutes. After boiling, leave this mixture to cool completely. After the mixture cools down, filter it. Now add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix it well and your solution is ready. To apply this solution, put it into a spray bottle. Now spray your hair well with this solution. Focus more on the bald areas of your hair and massage your scalp for 2 minutes. Now wrap your hair with a food bag. Leave it for 1 hour. Then shampoo your hair. Repeat this secret recipe 2 times a week for better result. Thank you for watching.